Thirsty. Hungry. Bored. To buy. Buy a pizza. Buy a coffee. To give. Water. Him. Her. My brother is bored. I can play cards with him. My daughter is hungry. I can buy her a pizza. My husband is busy. I can make him a coffee. Your sister is hungry. You can give her a chicken sandwich. Our friend is bored. We can ride a bike with him. A bottle of water. A cup of coffee. A glass of water. A bowl of cherries. A bag of oranges. A basket of apples. A box of paints. Of course. Your grandmother is thirsty. Can you give her a glass of water, please? Yes, of course. I can give her a glass of water. Your sister is bored. Can you give her your box of paints, please? Yes, of course. I can give her my box of paints. Your father is tired. Can you make him a cup of coffee, please? Yes, of course. I can make him a cup of coffee. Your friend is thirsty. Can you give her a bottle of water, please? Yes, of course. I can give her a bottle of water. Our father is busy. Can you buy him a pizza, please? Yes, of course. I can buy him a pizza. Your friend is hungry. Can you give him a sandwich, please? Yes, of course. We can give him a sandwich. Our son is thirsty. Can you buy him a bottle of water, please? Yes, of course. I can buy him a bottle of water. My friend is hungry. Can you give her a bowl of cherries, please? Yes, of course. I can give her a bowl of cherries. Your brother is bored. Can you read him a book, please? Yes, of course. I can read him a book.